In this lesson, you will hyperlink a list of the top 10 companies ranked according to Fortune 500 to their corresponding websites. Okay, this is a quick and easy one. Number one, create a new word processing document. I have Word here on my right-hand side. Unless otherwise stated, use the default font and size of the word processing software being used. That means we're going to keep the font at Calibri 11. Number three, change the line spacing to single with no additional spacing before or after the paragraphs. I bet you know how to do that at this point. Go to Paragraph, click the drop-down arrow of Line Spacing Options, click on Line Spacing Options. Here's where we need to go. Spacing before, 0, and after. Let's set that to 0 as well. And our line spacing to single. Click OK. Number four, save the document as companies. Let's go to File, Save As, Browse, locate your H home drive, double-click Word and name it Companies, and click Save. Number five, on the first line of the document, type your first and last name, then hit Enter. So type in your first and last name, hit Enter. Type number six, type the activity number and title, 5.5 Fortune 500 Top 10 Companies. Let's do that. 5.5 Fortune 500 Top 10 Companies. Hit Enter twice. Okay, number seven, type the list of 10 companies provided in the company column shown in figure 5.5-A. So all you want to do is type in the companies, not the word company and not any of these websites, just starting from Walmart all the way down to CVS Health. So go ahead and take some time to do that right now. All right, I've typed all of the companies. Now let's go up to the instructions. Number eight, hyperlink each company to its corresponding website address provided in the website address column shown in figure 5.5-A. So what we want to do is we want to hyperlink all of these companies so that when we control click, it sends us to the internet, to their particular website. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's go to Walmart. Now let's highlight Walmart here on our document. Let's go to Insert. Now go to Links, not bookmark this time, just straight to Link. And this time, we want existing file or web page. We want to keep it on this first selection. And right here where it says address, that's where we want to type HTTP and then all of the URL here. Yes, you have to type in the colon and the /. So let's do that right now. HTTP : //walmart.com. Hit OK. And you see how it's hyperlinked. And now when I control click, it sends me to their website, straight to walmart.com. As you can see, there's a lot of, this is a pretty good deal. I actually need one of these. All right, let's do the second one, ExxonMobil. So highlight ExxonMobil on our document. Go to Links, Link, existing file or web page, and right here let's do HTTP : not Walmart, www.exxonmobil.com, and you have to spell everything exactly like it is on the document. If you don't, something's going to go wrong and it's not going to work, and that will be the only reason why it doesn't send you to the website. Would be because you typed in something wrong. And let's see if I did it right. I'm going to check that the link is working, control click on ExxonMobil, and it should send us to the website, and it does. Here we go. I'm going to close it because I don't need to look at anything in there. And that's how these work. So now go ahead and do the exact same thing for all of these companies. Remember, the only thing why the links wouldn't work is if you type something incorrectly, if you misspelled something or if you forgot the colon or the /. So make sure that everything is spelled correctly in the link and it should work. All right, now that we have all our hyperlinks in place, number 9, carefully proofread your work for accuracy. If you have internet access, check each hyperlink to verify that each link has been entered correctly. Go ahead and check that all of them are working. Number 11, be sure any changes have been made. Print the document if required. by your instructor. Remember, we're not going to print, we're just simply going to submit it on Classroom. And that's it for part 1. All right, part 2 is a little bit more fun. Let's go ahead and click enter 2 times and write my wish list. And all you have to do is you have to come up with 15 items that you want to buy or that you wish you could buy, and write the name of the item or what it's called and just hyperlink it to Amazon, to Best Buy, to Walmart, wherever you can find it online. Hyperlink it there. So press enter twice, and I'm going to go with something I always wanted, and that is an Sony Alpha 1. So I'm gonna go to Amazon and let's search for that thing I want, Sony Alpha 1. And here we go. Oh, look at that. Wish I had one of these. I'm just gonna go with this one. It says Amazon's choice, so I'm gonna click it. And let's wait for it. Here we go. Now, remember what we want is we want the link, right? The URL, this thing here at the top. Now, the thing is that it's really long and maybe we misclick and not select the entire thing, and then we don't have a link that works. So if you go here next to your URL, there's a share button or icon. Click on it and then copy the link. Now let's go to Word, highlight your item, go back to Insert Link, and make sure it's on existing file or web page, and just simply paste it there, and voila! I have a link of something I want. One more. Let's see, I want a Apple Studio. Now, it's not called an Apple Studio, it's called a Mac Studio. And that can be found, my friends, at apple.com. So I'm gonna go to apple.com. Remember, you're doing your own items, so these are just examples. I'm gonna go to a Mac Studio. And here we go, I'm gonna click on buy. Ooh. I wish I could buy it right now. And do I want the 2000 version or do I want the $4,000 version? Let's go with the $4,000 version. That's the one we want. All right, here it is. Look how beautiful this looks. All right, let's click on the URL, share button, copy link, go back here to Mac Studio, highlight it, link, existing web page, paste it. Now I have a working link and I'm gonna try it one more time. See, it's sending me, there we go. Wish I could continue and buy this. All right, now you do the same thing for all 15 items that you want. They could be found anything as long as they're appropriate for school. Anything works. All right, that's it.